In this video, let me show you a review about LUV Neuro Drops. Is it a scam or is it legit? So let's find out. LUV Neuro Drops is a liquid nootropic and anti-inflammatory supplement that's been trending in 2025. It claims to boost brain function, soothe nerves. Now, for the pros, it contains some well-known natural ingredients, and its liquid form may allow for quicker absorption than capsules. A few users have reported slight improvements in focus, mood, or inflammation, and being made in the US with plant based components gives it more credibility. But there are concerns. There's no clinical research or peer reviewed studies proving the product's effectiveness. Its marketing is extremely aggressive, featuring unverified before and after photos and clickbait ads on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. So, is Love Neuro Drops a scam? Not exactly. It's a real product with real ingredients, but the lack of scientific backing and over the top promotion are definite red flags. If you're considering it, do your research, consult your doctor, and remember, not all trending products deliver real results. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.